Okay, game.
So, can we continue now?
Yeah. What are you cooking?
Egg. Giant egg.
It's a giant egg.
I cannot flip it. That's because it's so hot.
So hot. Okay.
I flip it.
Okay. Careful. Wow, it's perfect. Okay, you flip it. Oh, stay there. Wow. Our little chef.
I am big now.
You are big now.
I am a big kid.
Okay, and wait. Get a plate.
It's so delicious.
So delicious.